expression was wow.
10.98. She was fantastic. Did 11.15 in her first race back. First race of the season, I should say.
Yeah.
And here we go for the lineup once more. Lane number 1 from MVP Track Club, Janelle Smith.
Very special talent from Wilmer's Trust High School for Girls. She has a gold medal from the Doha World Championships in 2019, where she ran the first leg of the 4x100 meters. Has been struggling with injuries. If you look at her right arm, you'll see that blue kinesio tape. So struggling with injuries, but even with the injuries, she's in the semifinals and has run 11.23 seconds in the heats to get here, hoping to get into the top 3 to guarantee herself a spot in the final.
Lane number 2, Naisha Burgle.
No,
that's
Tina
Clayton in lane number 2.
Two-time world under 20 100 meters champion. Hasn't got back to 10.95 form, but rounding into shape nicely. The second of 3 MVP athletes in this first semi-final.
Lane number 3, Jodine Williams from Sprint Tech.
Nobody should be happier for her than herself. 11.01, a brand new PB set last evening. She is already at her very best and expects to go sub-11 and be in the top 3.
And lane number 4, Kemba Nelson from Elite Performance.
Part of the 2022 4x1 silver medal team at Oregon, and 10.85 at her best, has gone up to 11.12 in qualifying. She's trying to round back into form, and she'll want to be in the final.
Here in lane 5 from MVP Track Club, Natasha Morrison.
Natasha Morrison won her heat yesterday. Her 11.12 positions her very well. That was a season best that she did yesterday. She knows that she is well positioned to be in the top 3 to guarantee herself a spot in the final.
And in lane number 6, from a national champion from Elite Performance, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce.
Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, 2-time Olympic gold medalist, multiple world championship gold medalist over 100 meters, potentially her penultimate race over 100 meters locally in Jamaica. She has indicated that she wants to step away after this year, and she has gone as fast as 10.60, gave us something to whet her appetites last evening with 10.98. All eyes will be on her.
In a lane number 7, from Sprint Tech, Ashanti Moore.
Ashanti Moore, when she was at Hydel, she was their captain and did super for them at Champs. Now, on the professional stage, representing Adidas, and ran a time of 11.24 to get here.
And lane number 8, that's Naisha Burgle. So,
yeah, Naisha
based on the
Burgle.
lane assignments, there was some switch.
Yes, University of Texas at El Paso, 11.06 personal best, qualified with 11.32, and she expect her to go fast, one of the fastest Jamaicans before the semifinals or the prelims last evening.
Came in with 11.06, I believe it was.
Correct.
Did not look near to that form in the heats yesterday. The crowd is literally buzzing. Watch for the top 3 viewers, listen for the top 3. Those are the only ones who are guaranteed a spot in this evening's final.
So just to clarify, Bruce, and help them understand, when there are 2 semifinals, it's the top 3 and the 2 next best times. Right. When there are 3 semifinals, it's the top 2 and the next best 2 times.
Correct.
So this is semifinal 1, the first and the penultimate semifinal of the women's 100 meters.
Athletes on their mark, set position. And what kind of start does Fraser-Pryce get? She gets the trademark bullet start. Also running well is Janelle Smith. Look at Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce streak away from this field. Janelle Smith is following her through. 10.90, the flash time. She's getting faster and faster. Let's see what that comes back at for Fraser-Pryce.
10.91, positive 1.5. Super running. She grabs her teammate, Kemba Nelson.
That was second, yeah.
11.04. Natasha Morrison steps up with 11.16. Business like. Come on now, Shelly-Ann.
Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, fondly celebrated as the Mommy Rocket, reignited the flames of her remarkable career with a striking comeback at the 2024 Jamaican National Trials. The sprinting legend, a 2-time Olympic champion and 4-time Olympic medalist in the 100 meters, reminded everyone why she continues to hold such an iconic status in athletics. Her dazzling semi-final run silenced any doubts. Fraser-Pryce remains a formidable presence on the track. In what might mark one of her last outings before a home crowd, the veteran sprinter stormed to a brilliant 10.91 seconds, unleashing her trademark explosive launch and unrivaled mid-race drive. The legal tailwind of plus 1.5 meters per second added no controversy to her performance, proving her readiness for yet another intense season. Earlier, her composed 10.98 in the heats had already hinted at her sharp condition, but the semi-final effort confirmed she is gathering dangerous momentum. The race featured an impressive lineup of Jamaica's rising stars. Janelle Smith of MVP Track Club chased hard, securing second with a time of 11.04, while her teammate Natasha Morrison posted 11.16 to clinch third and book a place in the final. With their results, all three secured prime chances at national honors, while others battled for spots on time qualification. Among those in pursuit was Tina Clayton, the two-time World U20 champion, still regaining her best rhythm. Kemba Nelson, a member of Jamaica's 2022 World Championship silver medal relay squad, is likewise striving to find her consistency. Jodine Williams, who recently clocked a personal best of 11.01, and Ashanti Moore, a former Scholastic prodigy, both entered the race hungry to make their mark. The energy inside the stadium was electric as fans turned their attention to Fraser-Pryce. Her reaction to the gun was flawless, smooth, sharp, and devastating. Within moments, she distanced herself from the field, displaying the precision and power that have defined her legacy for over a decade. With retirement on the horizon, she appears determined to give everything in one final, unforgettable season. This was more than just a semi-final. It was a living reminder of a legend still writing her story. Supporters are eager to see Fraser-Pryce take on international rivals such as Shericka Jackson, the Clayton twins, and Elaine Thompson-Herah. If her current form holds steady, the world could witness one of the most electrifying sprint battles of the modern era. The 2025 campaign has already sparked excitement, with stars like Oblique Seville, Akeem Blake, Brianna Williams, and Alana Reed taking early season strides. Yet Fraser-Pryce's return injects a new level of thrill, as fans hope she can stay healthy and challenge the very best once more. For now, the spotlight shines brightly on the Mommy Rocket, who continues to defy age with her mix of experience, skill, and relentless drive. Her 2024 season opener was more than a race. It was a declaration of intent.